One of the mistakes that I see people making when they're first getting into herbalism and plant medicine is trying to learn how to use too many plants at one time. And I see this with my apprentices as well, is that there is this like almost ingrained consumeristic mindset that we have to like have all of the herbs at one time. And then we also have this expectation of ourselves that we're supposed to somehow know everything about those herbs. And it's just not possible. In fact, there are some people as herbalists that only specialize in one plant throughout their entire practice. And you can also make really great herbal preparations with one herb. This is called simpling. So when you're starting out with your herbal practice, what you want to do is think of this as building a relationship. You're building a relationship with that plant. You're learning its energetics, its flavors, how it works in combination with other things, how it works on its own. And if you're trying to do that with like 150 different herbs to start out, you're going to be so overwhelmed and you're not going to actually learn how to prepare medicines. You're not going to get the experience that you want because you're going way too shallow and not deep enough. And one of the things that I help my apprentices do is figure out for them, according to their dosha and their particular concerns and goals, what are the plants that are calling to them that we need to start with? And we focus on those things to give them the most targeted, potent experience. If you're looking for support with this, reach out about apprenticeship.